Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I went from these salt and pepper roots on the left to this nice dark rich hair color on the right using my Madison Reed at-home hair coloring kit. This kit comes with everything that you need to get started and get salon results in the comfort of your own home. This kit comes with the color, developer, shampoo, conditioner, barrier cream, a cleansing wipe, 2 sets of gloves, a shower cap, and of course directions so that you know exactly how to do your own color at home. And I'm pretty sure once you see how easy it is to achieve salon results at home, you are going to save a ton of money on those salon trips. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm so excited because I am way overdue for a touch-up. And of course, the first thing you want to do is make sure to put on an old t-shirt because you don't want to get hair color on anything that is nice. And then as you can see, I just wanted to show you guys up close and personal all of my gray hair. I get it mainly in the front of my hairline, of course, where you can see it the absolute most. And I can't stand that, so I'm not quite ready to embrace the salt and pepper look yet. So I'm just going to keep coloring my roots. The first step is to go ahead and detangle your hair, so I went ahead and finger detangled first and then got out any additional knots with my wet brush. Then you're going to section off your hair. I like to put my hair into 4 sections, 2 in the back, 2 in the front. That way it makes it a little bit easier. I can focus on one section at a time, especially when you're doing just your roots. You want to be able to kind of direct that color exactly where you want it to go. So I'm just going to clip these pieces away before I get started on the first step of the coloring process. So the first step is going to be to go ahead and protect your hands by using one of the pairs of gloves that they provide you. You can use the second pair when you go to rinse out your color. You're going to add this barrier cream to the hairline or around your hairline to help protect your skin from getting any type of color stains on it. This stuff is it's like magic, seriously, because I kind of make a mess whenever I'm coloring my hair at home. So I like to put this all around my hairline, and I also like to put it around my ears as well. The next step is going to be to mix your color with the developer, and the color that I'm using is Ravenna Brown, and it's so cool because with Madison Reed, you just go on their website, answer a few questions, and they give you the perfect color match for you, so there's really no thinking involved. I'm just going to put all of that in the developer bottle, and then you're going to shake it for 20 seconds. And what I love most about this hair color is that it's got ingredients that you can really feel good about. It's got keratin, argan oil, ginseng root extract in it. It's got a lot of really great ingredients that are going to be good for your hair. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on the first front section. And what I like to do is get the part first and go ahead and put a little bit of color on that. And because I'm only doing my roots, I just use my finger to kind of guide the product exactly where I want it. And I just use the nozzle of the bottle that I'm using to kind of separate the hair, and I just do it section by section. As you can see, it's pretty self-explanatory. It's super easy. I'm going to speed through this because it's so repetitive. I just do the same exact thing over and over and over again until I've completed that entire section. Once I've saturated all the roots on this one section, I do go ahead and hit the front part of my hair because I definitely want to make sure that all of those gray hairs are completely covered. Then I just repeat the steps again on the opposite section. Now, I went ahead and told you what the main ingredients are that are good for you, but let me tell you some of the ingredients that are not in it. This hair color is free of ammonia, it's free of parabens, it's resorcinol free, PPD free, phthalates free, gluten free. So this is actually a hair color that you can be confident about that's not going to be terrible for your hair. So again, once I'm done, I go ahead and hit that front part of my hairline because that is where I have the most gray. And I'm sure at this point you get my process. You can see exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to do the same exact process for the last 2 sections. And I do want to let you know that I do have a discount code for Madison Reed color. It is for 10% off and free shipping on your first order. You can use the discount code GlamBelle18. I will leave it in the description box and also, of course, in the video right here. And with that discount code, you also get a little gift from Madison Reed, which is their lightweight styling cream, and that alone is a $24.95 value. So pretty awesome value right there. They also have a VIP program that you can sign up for if you want to get your color a little bit cheaper. So now that I have all my sections done, I'm just going to clip this away and go ahead and put on the little shower cap that they include in the pack. And then you're going to let it sit for 35 minutes before rinsing it out. Now, they do include a shampoo and conditioner, and the shampoo is sulfate free, so I used that to cleanse my hair. But the conditioner did have silicone, so I went in with my Diva Curl Decadence conditioner to go ahead and condition my hair. So I used their shampoo and the Diva Curl conditioner. Then I went in with the cleansing wipe, which will get rid of any type of color that you are left with around your hairline. And I am so glad that they included this because I always end up with some type of hair color on my skin. So this got it off so easily. So then I went ahead and took my hair out of the towel and I'm getting ready to style it. But as you can see, the color looks very rich. And I went ahead and styled and diffused my hair, and this is what I'm left with. I love, love, love my results. The color is a 100% perfect match, as you can see, to my natural hair color. It's just so perfect. It covered up my gray 100%, and those gray hairs are so stubborn. So I could not be more pleased with the results that I got. And if you're wondering what I used for my styling creams today to get my curls to turn out like this, I did use the Cantu Curl Activating Cream, followed up with the Curls Blueberry Bliss Curl Jelly, and then I finished it with the Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate. So that was my curly hair lineup. I am so happy with my results, and I want to say a huge thank you to Madison Reed and Preen.me for sending me these products to try out. Thank you for stopping by my channel to watch, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.